Hey, this is Kevin at Grubbs Garage showing my another build I got here. I just took care of. This is a 82 900F Super Sport. This is a cafe racer. This color is a deep candy. It's a House of Kolor, as I paint all my bikes in. It's a House of Kolor, like a blood red. It's got just a ton of red pearls in it, and it's just a gorgeous color. The actual frame, or the black itself, I don't know if we can see this. Yeah, you can see that in the pictures. Everything in this bike there, if you can see, it's all got a red pearl in it. It's really quite pretty. It's really a great sporty looking color. The seat, as you can see, I took the time to, wanted to keep it a 2-up seater, but it still has that nice looking cafe hump and that single seat look. But when you want to have a rider on there, you can do that. It's a 2-up exhaust. It's got a really gnarly header. One of the pipes were a little blue when I got the header years back, so I just went ahead and blew the other 4 just to kind of make it match. It must have had a dirty carburetor. It didn't come off this bike. This is another header, and I went ahead and put the cool slash cut exhaust mufflers on it. Really gives it a good look. And super detailed. There's really anything that I didn't touch on the bike. Like I said, everything's got House of Kolor candy paints on it, and it's pretty cool. Here, this bike is cold. It should start. It sounds really nice. This is cold starting right here, so. All the carbs are synchronized. It's really ready. It's an awesome bike. Everything's new. I put new chain, new sprockets. You got all the brakes went through, cleaned the calipers. Carburetors are completely reconditioned, and then of course finished. The LED, I did that all custom here. It's both for the frame, so it's part of the frame. Bike's available for sale. If you have any questions, it's going to be on eBay. It has 0 miles since the build. The bike was built from a 23,000 mile 900F, but like I said, it was completely stripped down to the frame and gone through completely, and of course reassembled. It's an awesome bike, and I think somebody's going to have a lot of fun on this thing. It's a great 900F cafe racer. It's got a style all its own. Thanks for looking at it.